Hello, my name's Jeff.
Hello,
Hi, Jeff.
I'm a cat coddler.
Oh, the shame.
Oh, the horror!
The children.
Oh, the humanity!
Don't let this happen to you. Don't be a cat coddler. Hello, my name is Morris Garfield, chairman of the International Tough on Fur Federation, better known as ITUF. Together with our sister organization, Catanon, we rebuild shattered lives. You've seen all the warning signs. Terrifying. Make no mistake, cat coddling is a disease. If you or someone you love is a cat coddler, I urge you to take immediate action. Declare your independence today with your very own official Tough on Fur Cat Manifesto, the only cat manifesto sanctioned by ITUF, the International Tough on Fur Federation. Your handsome official Tough on Fur Cat Manifesto comes ready to frame, emblazoned with the official ITUF seal of authenticity and personalized with your name or the name of the cat coddler you want to save. My name is Morris and I was a cat coddler, but I declared my independence with my very own official Tough on Fur Cat Manifesto. And look at me now. Order your official Tough on Fur Cat Manifesto today. Do it for yourself. Do it for someone you love.